Ready to shine, Whiskers!
I'm ready, as long as I don't meowtate.
How's the view from down there, partner?
A little shaky, but perfectly balanced. Wow, Milo, that's amazing!
Can you teach us how to do that magic trick?
Of course, my friends. You need magic! I make the ball disappear.
Please don't.
That's my balancing spot.
Okay, little friend, show us the magic.
Abra-cha-banana!
Well, that's one way to spice up the act. May I have this dance, little one? Only if you can keep up.
Don't drop my partner, Alara. She's delicate.
I'm not delicate. I'm positively airborne. What do you think, Barnaby? Barnaby, what if we use the cannon?
I think I might be too bear-sized for that.
Whoa, I'm flying! Oh, sugar berries! The catch! That was not the plan, but surprisingly soft.
Sorry, Whiskers. I was very distracted.
Now that's a grand finale.
We're an unbelievably good team.
I'm not delicate. I'm positively airborne.